Hello, FutureMakers. Welcome to TeacherPreneur. It's said that life begins at the end of your comfort zone. If you're a teacher who's decided to go abroad to teach and cannot decide which country to go to, then today's video is for you. In today's video, we will tell you, according to your priority, which country is best suited for you. At the end of the video, we will also give you a complete checklist of things that you must check before deciding to shift to that particular country. So make sure you watch the whole video till the end. And now without wasting any time, let's get started. If you're someone who's looking out for high salaries, then South Korea, Japan, UAE, Australia and Canada should be your top preferences. First, let's talk about being a teacher in UAE or Dubai. Dubai is comparatively really near to our country India, so commute is very short, and in case you have an emergency, you can go to your family member in India or they can come to you because it's a very short distance as compared to other countries worldwide. Another thing that is a big bonus for Dubai is that all the teachers' salary in Dubai are tax-free, which means you can have a lot of income and a lot of savings. You also have to understand that in Dubai, you will find Indians here and there, so it will be easier to adjust. Cost of living is high if you are not a careful budgeter, and it also depends on which area of Dubai do you live in. Remember, none of the grocery stores or anything in Dubai go through MRP. They all have their own rate. So one item can be sold at different prices in different lanes and areas. So if Dubai is your country of preference, then make sure you consider health insurance, rent of the apartment, and one trip to your home country along with your salary while signing the contract. You also have to understand that summers in Dubai are extremely hot and you won't be able to live without AC. Another problem with Dubai is that there is a kind of disrespect for teachers because the students live an extravagant lifestyle. So their way of respecting and talking to teachers as they grow as compared to India is a bit different. With all these pros and cons, if you've decided to go to Dubai, then I think you must check out our playlist, How to Be a Teacher in Dubai. It will really help. The second country on my list is Sweden. Sweden has a lucrative teacher salary, and the best part about this country is the work-life balance. If you're someone like me who wants to earn money, who wants to have high pay, but work-life balance is a priority for you, then Sweden is the country that you should go for. It has best working conditions and highly developed welfare systems. It also has a very vibrant nightlife, and as compared to other European countries, Sweden's living expenditure is 79% less. The only issue is that winters are very long and cold, and sometimes the temperature goes off up to minus 30 degrees Celsius. If you can bear that kind of a temperature and you have the readiness for it, then Sweden is a great country to teach. Sweden is also falling short of teachers, and there is a great demand for teachers in Sweden. So if you think this is your call, you can go for it. The third country that we would like to discuss in today's video is Vietnam. Vietnam is a beautiful country with stunning landscapes and diverse cultures. If you're a travel buff, then Vietnam is your country. You not only have a lot to explore in Vietnam, but you can also fly to nearby countries like Thailand or Cambodia and enjoy your vacation like an adventurous journey. Teachers of Vietnam have a competitive salary with health benefits, travel reimbursements, and also insurance and rent allowance. The cost of living in Vietnam is comparatively low, so you have a lot of room for savings and traveling. With good food, excellent coffee, and very friendly local people, you would enjoy your teaching experience in Vietnam. Vietnam also has full-time and part-time teaching opportunities, so you can choose for yourself. Only things that you have to consider is that there is intense heat in Vietnam, and public schools specifically do not have any air conditioners in them. So you should have the capacity to bear the heat. Traffic and air pollution are also very common in the country of Vietnam. So it's just like you're living in a city like Mumbai, but in a different country with beautiful landscapes. If you would like to take a teaching experience with the views and landscapes, then Vietnam could be a preference. So we are almost at the end of the video, but as promised, let us discuss the pointers that you must consider before deciding on the country of your teaching. Your compensation, the cost of living, the benefits of your package, Are you eligible to teach in the country? Are you a certified English teacher? Are you okay with the weather conditions in the country? Can you immerse yourself in the culture of that particular country? Does the country where you want to go have a demand for your subject, and does it pay high for your subject? Do you think work-life balance is considered in the country? Does it have a good nightlife? Is it easy to move with your dependent spouse? Does it require a teaching license? Will you be able to speak their local language? So that's it for today's video. We discussed 3 countries in depth with their pros and cons so that you can decide if this is your country of preference. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us which other countries would you like us to analyze for you in this manner. Share this video with a teacher who wishes to shift abroad, and subscribe to TeacherPreneur and press the bell icon to be a part of our FutureMakers family. See you soon.